In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send automatic email in Freshsales Crm. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Freshsales account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the gear icon. This is where the admin settings live. Click that gear icon to open the settings area, since all automation setup happens there. Inside settings, you will need to find workflows. Depending on how your account is organized, workflows may appear under teams and territories or under an automation section. Open workflows and take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place by looking for options to create and manage workflow rules. Now create a new workflow by clicking the Create Workflow button. Give your workflow a clear name that reflects what it does, such as an auto email for new leads or a follow-up email for updated contacts. Good naming helps later when you have multiple automations running. Next, choose the module you want this workflow to apply to. Common choices are leads or contacts. Pick the one that matches the records you want to email automatically. This selection is important because it controls which fields, templates, and actions are available. After that, set the trigger for your workflow. Choose when you want Freshsales to run it, such as when a record is created or when a record is updated. Use record created for welcome or confirmation emails, and use record updated for follow-ups that depend on changes to the record. Then add conditions to control who receives the email. For example, you might target only leads where the source is a web form. Conditions prevent unnecessary emails and keep your automation accurate. Make sure your condition matches the data your team actually captures. Now add your action. Choose the option to send an email to the lead or contact, depending on your module. When you configure the email, select the email template you want to send, pick the correct from address, and review the content so it looks right for the recipient. Then click Save. Finally, turn the workflow on by clicking Save and Enable at the top right. Once enabled, Freshsales will send the email automatically whenever the trigger and conditions are met. That covers everything you need to know.